In this video, I'll show you how to check your Instagram Notes history. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that Instagram does not currently offer a built-in Notes history feature. However, there is a workaround. You can try downloading your Instagram data to check for past notes. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now, tap on Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap Your Information and Permissions. Then, select Download Your Information. Tap on Download or Transfer Information. Choose All Available Information, since there's no specific option for notes. Next, tap Download to Device, then hit Continue. You can now select your preferred date range, email, and file format. Once everything is set, tap Create Files. Instagram will start preparing your data and notify you when it's ready to download. After downloading the file, open it and check through your account data to see if your past notes are included. And that's it. That's how you can check your Instagram Notes history. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.